Today we might sell a motorcycle.
Okay. It's benign.
Well, it's melanoma now. Even if you got it, it don't kill you.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
there's two kind of skin
I got
cancers.
the.
Uh-oh, you did take a picture?
No, I'm doing a video of.
Yeah,
If-
see, I'd take this off. I mean, I probably could take that off myself.
Yeah,
Yeah.
these have just these. I think.
Doing a video
Oh, it
of
has a clip
somebody who
Yeah.
might
Oh, okay,
sell
yeah, I
it.
see.
So you
that's
can
cool.
adjust it. You can't really adjust it on these forks though.
No, that's all right. I'll take them off. I don't
Yeah.
care. Just as long as this ain't jarring.
Yeah.
I like that wind in my face.
I do
you know?
too. Yeah. You
Yeah.
just wear glasses to keep the bugs free.
Yeah.
They are.
It's just that
They carry beer.
you've got something in this one. Is this something?
That is for the back pegs. This doesn't have back pegs.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We
You
got
can leave
the
them in
light.
there.
Yeah.
You know, 59 years of
Yeah.
riding, I've never had a passenger.
Really, I don't like them, man. You really got to know
I
how
like
to ride.
I like how
Well,
they
My wife wouldn't get on.
I
with
like
me.
how they covered it with stickers.
I have a Corvette too. She wouldn't get mad.
Well, thank you for not getting me
785
demonetized.
horsepower to the rear
I
wheel.
could. Horses are not bad.
Yeah,
Whoop.
Twin turboed it up and all that good stuff.
Lucky can't see the numbers, so you don't know it.
It's 22 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was. I had some other ones that she
They
didn't
don't
really
know
get.
this.
That one scared me.
That's
Scares
the
me
most
too
important thing.
Well, do you want
They
to come by
can't see
tomorrow,
us.
or are you gonna do this
Well,
tonight?
here's what we. Well, the bank's closed.
Right.
What time is it?
It is
It's yeah, I can look. It's,
3:53.
Yeah, they close Okay. That's what I'm telling you. The bank is inside the King Supers. See, my bank, none of the offices are open,
Right.
but they do it there. They have a window. And they
Right.
have,
Right.
This
Mine
is
a certified check right there.
there's his motorcycle. I won't show the thing. I'll just show you guys that, not the back because it has the license
King
plate.
Supers are-
But
Stetson
thank you
Hills
for them covering
and Power.
this
You know where?
number.
You just go down. You know where Powers
Thank
is,
you.
right?
Yeah.
Just go down
Thank
Powers, and you
for
know where
covering
Barnes is.
that.
King Supers on Powers and Stetson Hill.
We got the
Right there. It's a shopping
I could
center.
do a mirror
Turn on.
video. Woo!
It's real easy to get to. When you get to Stetson Hills, you just take a right, and then you'll see the entrance.
Yeah, but
Well, I gotta work tomorrow,
Oh shit!
but I'll be getting home
Don't
probably
cuss.
about 8.
Well, we have to meet there then, because see, that's a King Supers bank.
Right. You couldn't get the cashier's check and then come by here, or
Well, I could. Yeah, I could.
Right.
Give me your name.
Steve.
Okay.
yeah, because
This truck right here has 245,000 miles on it.
Wendy Nirvana Osborne hates
Yeah, this is.
my life. Also, Kale, if you're watching this,
There's nothing.
where have you been?
You read it. Yeah, all right. It's hard.
Oh, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Well, it's the reflection of it.
I only need reading glasses.
I wish I could roast you guys, but I can't. My mom said I can't burn trash. It's like that's just a joke. That I saw. So the CT bro was doing a TikTok. Was doing a.
303-944-5020.
So there's this TikTok where it was like So it's like, and there's a Wildcraft TikTok. And it's like, oh, I wish I could roast you guys, but my mom said I can't burn trash, and they were a fox, and then they did a legendary backflip. Like, whoa, 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 whoa! That was crazy. I just did a backflip, turns out,
I'm supposed to shoot a hand.
and it sucked.
I just got this M17. That's the military.
Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
See?
I got a splinter, I got a splinter, I got a splinter.
It's a 9mm.
Oh,
I got the extended
heck.
magazine. I had a center.
You see that, guys? It's not really that good. Ow, ow, ow.
As fast as you pull the trigger.
I'm telling you, it's only 40 caliber. I'm waiting for
Oh,
it to
that
come out.
thing fell out before I touched it.
I'm waiting for one of them to. I'm waiting for it to come out with 40 caliber.
There you go.
45. I like this bike though. Leather's in good shape.
Yeah, she's a beauty.
They got a lot And I'm not knocking it. This bike's worth it, but they got a lot a little
So-
cheaper than this, you know.
Right.
But I'm gonna go look
So
at them.
Yeah, the pictures don't match, but
And I
there's
know.
some-
And then they got 30,000 miles on them.
Right.
You know, this motor is good for about 40, and then you gotta,
Right, rebuild it.
yeah,
Yeah.
because it's air cooled.
Yeah.
You know, that's the way to go. But I like this. I like these. They're big enough.
Let me show you the grips that I have. Though. I mean,
I don't know. I'm not into nothing fancy.
they're probably.
oh my god!
I never heard the grips is called.
Right.
I would like to
You can't see the number, guys. You don't need to see the number,
Oh,
guys.
yeah, you can. Can you take them back?
They gave it to me to provide. They gave all the stuff.
Oh, take it down to Harley. Let's see if they'll take it back.
Right? But this has been serviced every year by the Harley
Yeah.
shop in
Denver? Oh, Castle Rock? Okay. No, it's a good looking bike. I mean, I'm telling you, you know, and what's got 9,000 miles on it? That's not
a
bad.
little over 9,000.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think I probably put a couple hundred miles.
I mean, there's only a couple things, you know, and that's just personal. It has nothing to do with the bike. It's just
Right.
Will you guys buy this? Will Kale buy this?
and this.
Well,
got, you know, 'cause
That's what I was
Will
telling my
Kale
my
buy
girlfriend. I said, if I were to get this bike, this out,
It probably, he would probably not know. Kale probably wouldn't know how to ride it because he's only 12.
this guy
White
down
skin.
in, he's on 25th on the city. You know where that's at?
yeah, yeah.
This is the
And he's got
motorcycle.
a some
See?
hog. I can't think of it. But he
Boss hog.
Boss hog. Yeah, 350. No, he's got a shop.
Oh, okay.
Yoink.
Works on it. He's a good guy.
Holy crap.
So I'll take this down there and he can switch the saddlebags and all this stuff over to that one. And then we'll have it.
There you
Holy
go.
'Cause that's
frick.
like, this bike this summer.
Okay.
You know, this winter.
Also, Kale,
Is that
somebody
right?
like reported
I'll tell you
me
what, this is
of saying something like mean, but I didn't. And I'm like,
all right.
I can't talk for like 8 hours.
Meet you right here. You
Somebody,
gotta take
kill
tight.
me. Kill me with the garage. 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 Kill me with the garage.
Text you my
Okay. What, this is part
I'm
one
gonna run yours to you.
Right.
of
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, if you gave me your number, I was gonna text you, and then you have
I
uh,
got yours right here, right?
mine. Right. Yep.
See,
but
I
this
got
is
this
part
here.
one of our motorcycle about to be sailed
Yeah, that's
for
fine. Yeah.
Let me,
okay, I gotta block out the number. Okay, so $5,500.
I'm a man of my word.
So yeah.
I'm not gonna ever ask you if you don't buy it.
No, if I wasn't gonna buy it, I would tell you right,
Right.
now.
I'm
you
gonna
look
miss,
like an
I'm
honest
gonna
man.
miss this motorcycle.
What's that? 720-375-4225?
And what was your name, sir? I'm
Right.
sorry. What?
RUHNNER.
Runner.
Yoink.
I thought that was like a screen.
No, that's my name.
There you go.
Yoink. But I hope you guys enjoyed part one of her motorcycle being sold for $500. I'm gonna get 100 paid. Whoop. What you do? Woo. And then I'm gonna do some Pokemon videos just by buying stuff. So, but it's for you guys, so I could get views. I need views. I'm saying views since. What? What is that? What is that? It's a hole with a screw in it. That's weird. That's just weird. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed part one. Also, if you're Kale, then comment down below, and I'll do a shout out to Kale right now. Okay, shout out to Kale. Go find him on Wildcraft. Hi. 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 Really, my life actually does suck. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hate my life. And I'm still a piece of garbage. I only have 11 subscribers. Trying to get to 20. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. Please like, sub, comment, and I'll see you all next time. Good. Bye!